Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Microsoft Outlook account. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you link or connect your Dropbox account to your Microsoft Outlook? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Dropbox to Microsoft Outlook anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you're going to have your email in Microsoft Outlook, but a lot of your documents and things that you share with your clients are going to be in Dropbox. And with Microsoft Outlook, you can link the two. So that way, when you're sending an email, you can easily just attach a Dropbox file into the email without having to switch programs. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Microsoft Outlook account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Microsoft Outlook, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link your Dropbox to Microsoft Outlook, here on the top right, you're going to click on this gear icon. All right, once you do that, you're going to see this menu on the left, and you want to click on Mail. Once you click on Mail, you'll see this other menu option and click on Attachments. Once you click on Attachments, you want to look for the Dropbox logo. There's actually two of them. I'm not too sure why. I guess it's possible that maybe you can add two Dropboxes. If you happen to know, leave a comment below. But for me, I'm just going to go ahead and choose either one. Okay, next, Dropbox is going to open up a browser, and they let you know that Dropbox is trying to connect to your Microsoft Outlook. If you're okay with that, click on Allow. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see my Dropbox is connected to my Microsoft Outlook. And let me show you how you can use this. Let me close this down. Okay, so here I am in my Microsoft Outlook email. And in order to attach a file from my Dropbox, I'm going to go ahead and start a new email. Okay, so once you start a new email, in order to attach a document or a file from Dropbox, click on this attachment button up here on the top. It looks like a paperclip. So this is the strange thing. For whatever reason, it doesn't show the Dropbox link. Don't worry. What you need to do is click on OneDrive. Okay, once you click on OneDrive, here on the left, you can see your Dropbox is connected. Click on Dropbox. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of the contents of your Dropbox. So go ahead and choose the file that you want to attach to your Microsoft Outlook email. So for example, this one. Once you've chosen it, go ahead and click on Share Link. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes back into my Microsoft Outlook email. And as you can see, there is a hyperlink that's going to be included in this email. So that way, whoever receives this email, they're going to be able to click and download that file directly from my Dropbox. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Dropbox to your Microsoft Outlook, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.